If you're watching this video to learn Persian, then خوش اومدی. You're in exactly right place. Today's lesson is all about speaking like a real Persian, not like a robot from a language textbook. These phrases are what you'll hear from Persian moms, taxi drivers, friends, neighbors, even the guy who delivers your kebab. And guess what? Each phrase comes with its own personality. Some are sweet, some are dramatic, some are just hilarious when you know the cultural context. So sit back, grab a cup of chai, and let's take a little ride through the everyday Persian talk, the fun way. What's up? چه خبر? Literally means what's the news? Actually it means tell me everything. I'm nosy and I want to know what happened exactly.
خب چه خبر؟
چه خبر؟
خوش بگذره. Have fun. خوش بگذره. Have fun. This when someone's going out, even if they're going to the dentist. We still say this because we're eternally optimistic.
قربونه خوش بگذره. قربونت خدافظ.
قراره خیلی بهت خوش بگذره.
مواظب خودت باش. Take care. مواظب خودت باش. Persian mom's favorite phrase. It means take care. Don't forget your scarf. Eat something. Don't trust strangers. Come back before it gets dark. All in one phrase. مواظب خودت باش.
مواظب خودت باش.
مواظب خودت باش. باشه.
عیب نداره. It's okay. عیب نداره. Mistake? No problem. Drop the tea? Still okay. Spill gossip? Oh, maybe it's not okay.
خب اب نداره.
اب نداره هر چی دوست داری بگو.
زود برمیگردم. I'll be back soon. Said before going shopping and returning 3 hours later. Classic Persian time.
من الان برمیگردم.
دیر کردی. You're late. Can be serious or playful.
دیر کردم وای دیر کردم.
اصلا معلوم از کجایی؟ چرا قد دیر کردی؟
خوش اومدی. Welcome. خوش اومدی. This phrase is warm like a homemade stew. Always said with a smile and often followed by چرا تنها اومدی? Why did you come alone? Because we are very hospitable.
خوش اومدی.
خیلی خوش آمدین بفرمایید.
نوش جان. Bon appetit. Said while someone is chewing. Even if your mouth is full, you must smile and nod. It's the rule.
نوش جون.
ببخشید مزاحم شدم. We say this even when someone invited us over. Pure extreme Persian politeness, right?
ببخشید مزاحم شدم. خوب هستین؟
ببخشید که مزاحمتون میشم آقایون.
خدا رو شکر. Thank God. Ask someone how are you. They'll say خوبم خدا رو شکر.
خدا رو شکر.
الهی شکر واقعا. خدا رو شکر.
دست طلا. It means thank you, but literally means your hand is gold. For food, help, or even when someone scratches your back. Love and gold in one sentence.
از پنجرت سلام.
برو حالتو ببر. Said with a wink. Could be sincere or sarcastic. Very context-based. کارت عالی بود. You did great. کارت عالی بود. خدا قوت. May God give you strength. Especially said to workers, bakers, moms. Because being a Persian mom is a full-time job. For real. You have no idea.
خدا قوت.
اصلا نباشی واقعا. خدا قوت. افتخار ایرانی.
اشکال نداره. No problem. Drop a plate. اشکال نداره. Spill secrets. Depends. But say this to look cool and forgiving. اشکال نداره. ولش کن. Let it go. ولش کن. A therapy phrase. Persian version of Hakuna Matata, but with a little attitude.
ولش کن واسه تو خیلی سخته بفهمی.
ولش کن.
دیگه بهتر از این نمیشه. Can't get better than this. دیگه بهتر از این نمیشه. When you're eating, chilling, or just loving life can also be used ironically when stuck in a traffic.
بهتر از این نمیشه.
بذار برات بگم. Let me tell you something. Dangerous phrase means gossip or life advice.
بذار بهت بگم.
Damn it, gam. You're right. Literally means may your breath stay warm. It's very poetic and often followed by a high five. Hello. It's all good. Youth slang, confident, one word to solve any argument. Try it. Trust me. Hello.
حله.
من که گفتم. Told you so. Persian love being right. We say this and smile sweetly. من که گفتم یه بارون بزنه داغون میشه. خوب بخوابی. Sleep well. A nighty wish in every Persian home. Mothers say this while tucking in their kids. Often followed by یه بوس بده. Give me a kiss.
خوب بخوابین.
If you're enjoying this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need some Persian lessons. You guys watching and sharing really do help the channel to grow. So share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. It helps a lot. سلام، چه خبر؟ خوش اومدین. سلام، بفهمی هدیه برای تو. کارت عالی بود. دمت گرم. دستت طلا. خواهش میکنم برو حالشو ببر. مواظب خودت باش. Now it's time to practice. Pause the video and repeat the sentences. Persian isn't just a language. It's an experience. It's full of emotion, kindness, drama, and love. Each of these phrases give you a little peek into our culture. We're poetic, affectionate, sometimes dramatic, but always warm-hearted. Which one of these phrases was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more fun lessons like this, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to fall in love with Persian. تا ویدیوی بعدی. دمتون گرم. خداحافظ. مواظب خودتون باشید.